How do genetic mutations cause hearing loss? Imagine your ears as tiny, intricate machines that turn sound into signals your brain understands. When genetic mutations happen, they can interfere with how these machines work, leading to hearing loss. These mutations change the instructions in your genes, which are like the body's blueprint for building and maintaining the structures in your ear. Most hearing depends on the cochlea, a small, snail-shaped part of the inner ear filled with tiny hair cells. These hair cells are responsible for detecting sound vibrations and converting them into electrical signals. This process is called mechanoelectrical transduction. If genetic mutations affect the proteins that make up these hair cells or the channels that allow ions to flow, the hair cells can't do their job properly. For example, mutations in the TMC1 gene disrupt the function of the mechanoelectrical transduction channels, which are essential for converting sound vibrations into electrical signals. When these channels don't work, hearing can be severely impaired or lost. Other mutations affect the structural proteins that help from the cochlea or keep the hair cells connected and functioning. The GJB2 gene, which encodes a protein called connexin 26, is a common example. Mutations in both copies of this gene, inherited in a recessive pattern, prevent proper cell communication in the cochlea. Without this communication, the cochlea cannot process sound normally, leading to hearing loss. Some genetic mutations impact the nerves that carry sound signals from the ear to the brain. For instance, mutations in the MAP1B gene can affect nerve development and cause progressive hearing loss. These mutations may not cause immediate problems, but can lead to worsening hearing over time as nerve pathways become less effective. Genetic hearing loss can be inherited in different ways. It might be autosomal recessive, where both gene copies are mutated, autosomal dominant, where only one copy causes issues, or X-linked, involving genes on the X chromosome. The severity and how quickly hearing loss develops depend on which gene is affected and the specific mutation involved. Recent discoveries have identified new gene mutations, such as in the CPD gene, which influences protein modification in the inner ear. These findings open doors for future targeted treatments, although most genetic hearing losses currently are managed with hearing aids or cochlear implants. In summary, genetic mutations cause hearing loss by disrupting the proteins and cellular processes vital for hearing. They can damage the hair cells, the cochlear structure, or the neural pathways that carry sound signals. Understanding these genetic causes helps with diagnosis and counseling, and ongoing research may someday lead to therapies that can repair or replace the damaged parts. Always remember, if you suspect hearing loss has a genetic component, consulting a healthcare professional or a genetic counselor is the best step to get personalized advice.